Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My happiest realization is I'm doing what I love to do. Dealing with a patient every day is a serious responsibility. Hello and welcome to our video about Florence Nightingale, the pioneering nurse and social reformer who is widely regarded as the founder of modern nursing. Florence Nightingale was born in Florence, Italy in 1820 to a wealthy British family. She grew up in England and became interested in nursing at a young age. After receiving training in Germany and France, Nightingale returned to England to begin her nursing career, but it was during the Crimean War 1853 to 1856 that she truly made her mark. Nightingale led a team of nurses to provide care for British soldiers who were suffering from terrible conditions and inadequate medical treatments. In addition to her work in nursing, Nightingale was also an advocate for women's rights and social reform. She believed that women should have access to education and employment opportunities, and she founded the Nightingale Thomas Hospital in London to provide training for other women who wanted to become nurses. In conclusion, Florence Nightingale was an extraordinary woman who revolutionized nursing and healthcare. Her tireless efforts to improve conditions for women's rights and social reform continue to inspire people around the world to this day. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new about this amazing woman.
This is Rosa Koirala and Happy International Nurse Day.
Hi, it's me, Mamita Chaulade Shah here. Being a nurse is so difficult physically and emotionally. It is so complex that I'll never be able to explain, and you'll never understand unless you are a nurse. But I'm so proud to be a nurse, and Happy International Nurse Day. Bye-bye.
Hello everyone, it's me Pratiksha Tamang. I'm working as a registered nurse in hospital. I'm so proud to be a nurse, and happy International Nursing Day to all nurses. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sadhana. आज इन्टरनेसनल नर्स डे सो मेरो तर्फबाट हामी सबैजनाको तर्फबाट ह्याप्पी नर्स डे. हामी जुन पनि हस्पिटल जान्छौँ सबैभन्दा पहिले नर्सलाई नै देख्छौँ, किनभने नर्सको हस्पिटलमा सबैभन्दा धेरै ठुलो भूमिका हुन्छ. जसरी आफ्नो बच्चालाई आफ्नो आमाले केयर गर्ने, सपोर्ट गर्ने, हेल्प गर्ने गर्नुहुन्छ, त्यसरी नै नर्सले आफ्नो पेसेन्टलाई केयर गर्नेदेखि लिएर मेडिसिनहरू टाइममा दिनेदेखि लिएर फर्स्ट एड बक्सदेखि लिएर सबै कामको जिम्मा नर्सले नै लिएको हुन्छ. आमाको अर्को रूप भनेकै नर्स हो. त्यसैले हामी सबैजनाले नर्सलाई भेदभाव नगरौँ, रेस्पेक्ट गरौँ, आदर गरौँ. त्यसैले मेरो तर्फबाट ह्याप्पी नर्स डे. बाई.
Hello, my Sweetie Stola, and happy Nurse Day to all of the nurse. Thank you.
And nurturing environment strengthens my commitment to caregiving, and happy International Nurse Day to all beautiful nurses.